Welcome to Bestsellers Market, where we bring you the top products that are making waves on Amazon. Today, we're diving into the world of tools and equipment, showcasing the best-selling items that everyone is talking about. These products are not only highly rated, but also trusted by professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. So, without further ado, let's get started with our countdown of the best-selling tools and equipment on Amazon. Number 5 on our list of best-selling tools and equipment on Amazon is the TICARVE Car Cleaning Gel Detailing Putty. This isn't your average cleaning tool, no. It's a high-tech cleaning marvel. Imagine squeezing into the tiniest nooks and crannies of your car, the ones you can't reach with conventional tools. The TICARVE Car Cleaning Gel makes it possible. Its sticky but non-greasy texture picks up dust, debris, crumbs, and even pet hair with ease. Using it is a breeze. Simply press the putty into the gaps and crevices of your car's interior and watch it lift out the grime effortlessly. You can even use it on your keyboard. Just press and peel, and the dust vanishes. Suitable for all devices and surfaces, except carpets. This gel is truly versatile. And here's the kicker. It's reusable. You can use it multiple times until the gel darkens. Once done, just pop it back in the jar and store it in a cool place. Made of high-tech material, this rose-colored gel smells delightfully of cherry blossom, adding a pleasant fragrance to your cleaning routine. While it's sticky enough to pick up all the dirt, it doesn't stick to your hands, making the cleaning process even more enjoyable. But the versatility doesn't stop there. This gel isn't just for your car. Use it at home or in the office to clean keyboards, printers, cell phones, calculators, TV remotes, and even furniture. As long as the surface is dry, this cleaning mud will stick and clean effectively. The TICARVE Car Cleaning Gel. Detailing putty isn't just a tool, it's a revolution in cleaning. Dive into the high-tech, fragrant world of efficient cleaning and experience the difference. Coming in at number 4 on our countdown of the best-selling tools and equipment on Amazon is the HOMEXCEL Gray Microfiber Cleaning Cloths 12-pack. These aren't just any cleaning rags, they are the epitome of cleaning excellence. Let's dive into the unparalleled cleaning performance these microfiber towels offer. Each cloth provides outstanding water absorption and adhesion, effortlessly soaking up dirt and liquids. Imagine wiping down your car and watching it gleam, as if it were brand new. These towels don't just clean, they transform. What about scratches? Absolutely not. Crafted from incredibly soft fabric, these microfiber cloths provide gentle care for your car. They delicately wipe surfaces without scratching or damaging the paint. It's like giving your car a luxurious spa treatment every time. But wait, there's more. These versatile cleaning rags aren't just for your car. Use them for household cleaning too. Wipe down furniture, kitchen utensils, glass surfaces. The possibilities are endless. One cloth, countless applications. Durability? Check. These cleaning cloths are designed to withstand repeated use and washing. Made from high-quality microfiber materials, they maintain their performance and quality even after multiple washes. Machine washable and quick drying, they offer convenient and efficient cleaning every time. And what's HOMEXCEL's mission? To add this microfiber marvel to your household cleaning supply arsenal. Step into a world of clean comfort with HOMEXCEL's microfiber towels. Upgrade your cleaning game with the HOMEXCEL Gray Microfiber Cleaning Cloths. 12-pack. Feel the difference, see the shine. Our number 3 spot in the countdown of best-selling tools and equipment on Amazon goes to the Microfiber Cleaning Cloth Gray, 12 packs. These aren't just any cleaning cloths, they're a revolution in cleaning technology. Imagine cleaning faster and more efficiently than ever before. With the 10x grip root weave, these ultra-absorbent microfiber towels act like plant root follicles, sucking up and locking away 8 to 10 times their weight in liquid, grime, and dirt. Say goodbye to those heavy-duty rags that take forever to get the job done. Forget about lint, scratches, pills, swirls, shedding, or bleeding. These towels are designed with rapid dry release layers, ensuring a swirl-free, mirror-like shine every time you use them. Perfect for cars, they deliver that spectacular, flawless finish we all strive for. Durability? These cloths are built to last, enduring over 1,200 washes. That's more than 3 years of consistent use from just one 12-pack. The commercial-grade 300 GSM microfiber, combined with overlock braided stitching, makes them the eco-friendly, sustainable solution for cleaning every surface, crack, and crevice in your home, garage, or office. Need to soak up spills faster? These cloths are 4 times more absorbent than cotton, making them the ultimate all-purpose cleaning towel. They scoop up messes, oils, and liquids faster than any sponge, transforming your cleaning routine. But don't just take our word for it. Experience the unrivaled power of GripRoot technology risk-free for 30 full days. See how it locks away dirt, dust, grime, spills, and messes better than any high-performance cleaning rag you've ever tried. Elevate your cleaning game with the Microfiber Cleaning Cloth Gray, 12 packs. Feel the power, see the shine, and embrace the future of cleaning. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling tools and equipment on Amazon? Well, don't let your cleaning game get rusty. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the next top tools to keep things spick and span. At number 2 in our top 5 best-selling tools and equipment on Amazon, we have the Amazon Basics Microfiber Cleaning Cloths. This pack of 24 cloths is a game-changer for all your cleaning needs. Picture this: ultra-soft, non-abrasive microfiber cloths that won't scratch a single surface. Whether it's paint, vinyl, glass, or any other finish, these cloths handle it all with care. Measuring 16 by 12 inches, they're perfect for cleaning cars, trucks, boats, and so much more. Imagine the versatility. Use them dry for a quick dust-off, or pair them with your favorite liquid cleaner for a streak-free, lint-free shine. They're durable and absorbent, soaking up 8 times their own weight. Yes, 8 times. And the best part? You can reuse these cloths hundreds of times. Just toss them in the washing machine for easy care. Remember to wash them separately before their first use, and with light colors to keep them looking fresh. Efficiency, care, and performance. These Amazon Basics microfiber cleaning cloths deliver it all. Elevate your cleaning routine with this essential pack of 24. Your surfaces will thank you. And now, taking the number 1 spot in our countdown of best-selling tools and equipment on Amazon, we have the PULIDIKI Car Cleaning Gel Universal Detailing Kit. This is not just a cleaning tool, it's a revolution in car care. Imagine having a tool specifically designed to tackle the toughest spots in your car. The PULIDIKI Cleaning Gel is perfect for air vents, steering wheels, console panels, storage bins, cup holders, door handles, dashboards, and all those hard-to-reach places. It's an essential for both men and women who want their car interiors spotless. Using it is as simple as it gets. Just push the gel into the cracks, press down, and lift away the dirt. The dust clings to the slime, making cleaning effortless. And it's not just for cars. This versatile putty works wonders on keyboards, laptops, calculators, TV remotes, and more. However, remember, don't wash the gel with water. What sets this gel apart is its friendly nature. Made from natural materials, this high-tech cleaning compound is safe for your car's surfaces. It easily picks up dust without causing any damage. Plus, it's reusable. Use it multiple times until it turns black. Just pop it back in the jar after each use and store it in a cool, dry place. Versatility is the name of the game. While it's fantastic for car interiors, it's equally effective for home and office use. Cleaning electronics, furniture, and other water-resistant surfaces has never been easier. PULIDIKI ensures quality with a brand new package every time. If you find any issues with your cleaning gel upon receiving it, just reach out, and they'll solve your problem promptly. Transform your cleaning routine with the PULIDIKI Car Cleaning Gel Universal Detailing Kit. It's more than a cleaning tool. It's your new best friend in maintaining a pristine environment. We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the best-selling tools and equipment on Amazon. To stay updated with all the best sellers, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Check the pinned comment for links to all the top products we discussed today. Until next time, thanks for watching, and see you soon.